It began when my wife and I moved to Littleton and bought an old house and started working with my hands and learning woodworking. You know, you need some source of livelihood, and living up here in the North Country, there weren't very many opportunities, so I started making some furniture for a few people. They seemed to like what I was doing, and then gradually started making furniture for sale to stores. Moved into a factory in Littleton, hired some people to help me make the furniture. Development of the company has been gradual over the period of the last 40 plus years. The people that work here, they mean a lot to me, and I feel a certain level of responsibility to keep them employed.
Henry comes in every single day and makes himself known to each and every single employee with a handshake or hello in the morning, and that's what keeps people here at DCI.
Today, the company employs almost 200 people, has customers worldwide, and for me, it's been a lifetime. Henry put his entire life into this company, and I think it shows.